Welcome to our quick guide on creating dynamic themes in Power BI based on selection criteria. In example here, we will do that based on branch selection. This will elevate your report's interactivity and visual appeal. Let's start. First, let's prepare our data. Head over to Transform Data and select Enter Data. Input your branch list and add columns for theme elements such as main color, title color, and graph color. Feel free to customize these columns to fit your report's needs. Once you've entered your data, load this table into your Power BI report. Next, establish a relationship between this new table and your existing branch list to ensure the theme changes are reflected based on branch selection. Next, use branch list as a slicer. Now, create measures for your theme elements. For example, selected main color and selected title color. These measures will dynamically change based on the selected branch. If you have Tabular Editor, you can quickly create multiple measures at the same time based on certain logic. It can save you lots of time to create measure. However, it is out of scope of this video. I will talk about this later. With your measures ready, it's time to apply them. Select a graph, go to the Visualization panel, find the color setting. Instead of picking fixed color for each graph element, click on FX. Choose Field Value and then select the appropriate measure for the element. Repeat this process for each theme element across your visuals. Apply the same process for other graphs and elements of the report. And you have it. And that's it. Now, when you select a branch in your report, the theme colors change accordingly, creating a dynamic and engaging user experience. Keep experimenting with different elements and themes to find what works best for your reports.